Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you. So today guys, we're in Nairobi, Kenya, and we're gonna be showing you the Nairobi Green Park modern bus terminal that is set to begin anytime now. The Nairobi Green Park Terminus is located at the former Lunar Park at the intersection of Uhuru Highway and Haile Selassie Avenue. Nairobi Green Park Terminus is a drop-off and a pick-up points for public service vehicles, also known as Matatus, that operate on Ngong Road and Lang'ata routes. This terminus is part of a wider city decongestion strategy in Nairobi being implemented by NMS or Nairobi Metropolitan Services. So guys, join us as we tour this Nairobi Green Park. And guys, please remember to like, to share, and to leave us a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We would like to introduce you to Town Mesh, an app that allows you to share alerts and neighborhood information with your neighbors. You can receive traffic alerts and let your neighbors know of thefts, accident, and lost items. Join your neighbors and stay connected with other towns or cities also on the go. This app is available today on Android via Play Store or on your iOS devices via App Store. Download Town Mesh today to be informed, empowered, and build your community. And register for free with your phone number. Nairobi Metropolitan Services or NMS is an arm of the National Government of Kenya led by the military under the leadership of Major General Badi that was created in March 2020 amid concerns over how the former governor of Nairobi was running the affairs of Nairobi City. As you guys can see, they've done a lot of work, and this park is scheduled to be open anytime soon. This screen being fitted on and others on this park terminus will display the route information, vehicles loading or dropping off. This bus terminus was scheduled to be open last year, but due to some court cases and also after several test runs were done and not successful, several other measures and construction of feeder roads were started. This project was also delayed by the construction of Nairobi Expressway project. The construction of this Green Park Terminus was started in November 2020 and was projected to cost about 250 million Kenyan shillings. This bus terminus is fitted with an integrated electronic system that's designed to notify the Matatus or bus operators when each vehicle can make its way to the terminus and when the commuters can be picked or dropped off. So what do you think? Do you think this park will help decongest downtown Nairobi? And do you think this system will work? Please let us know at the comment section. After getting off the buses, the passengers will walk along this non-motorized transport to downtown Nairobi or to connect to another bus through this path complete with roofing to protect commuters from inclement weather. The park also has enough bathrooms or restrooms already set up. There are also enough sitting bays for the commuters. There is also an information desk and also a police station. This terminus will also have other amenities for the passengers. Already there's a hospital that's under operation and a supermarket will be set up. This terminus has a capacity to accommodate between 300 to 350 buses or Matatus at any one time and also process about 1,000 buses per hour. After the last test run was conducted, the exit of the terminus was moved to Kenyatta Avenue to reduce congestion on Haile Selassie Avenue. The NMS has since constructed this road through Uhuru Park, and this road will run parallel to Uhuru Highway and Nairobi Expressway up to the Kenyatta Avenue. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. Please don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about this park. Also remember to like and to share. And also if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Also remember to download Town Mesh, the app that keeps you connected. Until next time as we bring you content, be blessed and have a good day.